Come here.
Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Haley, your galaxy. We got a new little puppy. A puppy wuppy. Her name is Molly.
Hey, Molly, come here.
She's so cute. My
Come
dad
here,
is
Molly.
here, and my dog, Blue, is here. And
you
I'm
see
here. A little bit.
Hey, turn on the big light.
Molly! Her name is Molly, and she's a lab mix. She's cute. Molly, come here!
You so brown I can't see it.
Molly.
Natural camouflage. Y'all call her chameleon.
No, I'm good. Molly, come here.
Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue.
An injury from a coffee table.
Come here, buddy.
Molly.
I don't know what's going on, but I like all this attention. Get another one now.
Molly, come here. We got a Christmas tree up and a present for me down there. It's beautiful, isn't it?
You've been
Comment
missing
down below.
some jackets and blankets because I just found them.
Oh no,
Mine too.
no, I haven't. Molly, come here. Come here.
Molly.
Come here, darling. Come here. Molly. I can't say her name. Molly.
The leash on the table. We need to keep it handy.
Molly. No, Molly. Come here.
Pick her up and set her out here. She's got to get used to us handling her son too.
And to be on camera because I record a lot.
Well, no, let's don't scare her with that right off the gate.
Okay. Hey. This is some beautiful work.
Don't hurt her.
Yeah.
There you go. Come here.
She has some soft skin. I mean fur, sorry.
Come here. Turn around and look at the camera.
Molly. Whoa. Well, dang, don't snatch her up like that.
Yeah. She's groggy from that surgery.
To not have babies.
Tommy said, yeah, that's right. Said if she ain't real bouncy and stuff, it's probably why. So believe me, in 10 weeks, she's supposed to be
Happy.
pepper-uppy. I'm doing this.
Okay. She might actually break my whiteboard, but okay.
She won't break that. She might knock it down.
Hey.
I'm trying to get going to the store.
I have to stay here with the mammals.
I wish somebody deliver me some stuff. Do we need more stuff on the Christmas tree?
No.
You don't think so?
Well, like 2 more ornaments and that's it.
Okay.
To me. Maybe a couple more.
Alright, well,
Our
let me dig around a minute.
Anyway, guys, comment down below if you enjoy this dog. I mean, puppy, 10 weeks old. She's cute. She's adorable. She peed on a towel on the way back. But,
I got to tell all of you.
But now Blue has a younger sister or another companion. They're both the same height, so that means that Molly will be bigger than Blue.
I found one you made.
Oh yeah, that was crumbled, so I kind of put it back.
That's a Spanish. Well, it says planta.
That could mean star or Christmas.
Good.
But yeah, comment down below if you enjoy this little doggo being here. She is the cutest little thing. Tomorrow,
Merry Christmas.
we're going to feed her tomorrow because they said either tonight or tomorrow. But do it on a regular schedule and bring her out to the bathroom outside so that she don't pee on a carpet
Or my guitars.
or wood, and that's it. But yeah, she's a cute little thing. And leave a like if you enjoy this video. And
That I got to be in. Wow.
because you're rarely in my videos.
I know.
Nor do I rarely show faces.
Where's Molly? What's she doing?
She under the coffee table chilling with Blue laying down.
They're laying together?
Yeah, look.
Cool.
Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, turn on notifications. And comment down below if you think this Labrador Retriever mix is cute. Her name is Molly, and
We love her.
yes, we do.
How you
I want to say something that happened earlier, but I'm not going to.
do? Well, that's a big lead in for nothing. I mean, why you gonna tell them that and not tell them?
Okay, well, I'll tell them. Okay, so we let her outside for Blue for her and Blue to, get used to each other. And then she wanders around this side of the house. She makes it to the backyard. He has this beautiful man, my father, has a leash. Well, no, he doesn't. He grabs the leash just in case, and she starts running away into like a little area, skinny, viney,
A briar patch.
and I had to get through there somehow, chase her back and forth. He went in there, got her, bleeding on the arm somewhere, and now she's safe. So yeah, it was quite adventurous. School was good. I'll explain that later if I can. Molly, Blue, what's the matter? Anyway, peace. Don't be a bully. Yeah.